On page 2 of our assignment, we want to graph this system. On the first one, it's in standard form, so I think we'll use our intercept. So let's find the x-intercept of that line. So my x-intercept is going to be at negative 3x equals 18. So x is going to equal to negative 6. So I'm going to go over to the 6 on my x-axis, and I will place my point. I'll do the same thing for the y-intercept. And the y-intercept is 2y would equal 18, which means y is 9. So put it there, and then notice there's no line under it, so I'm going to make a dashed line going through these 2 points. Now, what side do I shade? Well, let's use our test point just to make sure. I'm going to go 0, 0. So I'll put 0 in for x, 0 in for y, so I get 0 is less than 18. Is 0 less than 18? Sure it is. That's true. So I am going to shade beneath my line. So all my solutions are going to be beneath my line. And let's see if I can make this a tad bit bigger to shade it in. There we go. So all these are solutions to my first line. Now let's do our second line. Our second line is in slope-intercept form, isn't it? So we don't have to do a bunch of other work on this one. And I need to get back to my line here. And let's use red on that one. So my y-intercept is 0, 0. I'm going to go up to 1. Oh, it's counted by 2s, isn't it? So I'm going to go up 2 and over 1. If I'm counting by 2s, I better talk about how I'm going to do that. So 2 over 1, if I multiply by 2, is up 4 and over 2. So maybe I'm going to go up 4 and over 2 so I can get my point there. Now notice on this one, it is a solid line. So I'll make a solid line going through, and I'm going to shade everything above my line because it's greater than. But do I really need to do everything above the line? Because I know this white part isn't going to be part of my solution. So really, the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shade between these two. This is my solution right here. Notice I went a little bit, and can't color very well. I went a little bit over, but that's not part of your solution. My third one, x is less than 4. I'm going to make a vertical line. I think I'll do blue. I'm going to make a vertical line going through 4. It's going to be dashed. And so once again, the part that I'm going to shade is going to be everything to the left, because it's less than, of that line. But once again, I'm really interested in just the parts that are previously shaded. So I'm not going to, let me find the blue here. I'm just going to go from this section down. Okay, up to my vertical line. So when on question number 4, notice there are multiple correct answers for question number 4. Why are there multiple correct answers? Because I can pick anything, any point in that shaded region. So I could pick, for example, I could pick 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. I could pick negative, what is that? 4 or 5, 0. I could pick -4 and -2. I got a whole bunch of correct answers there, don't I? I just listed a few of them for you. I think that's it on this page, but let me do a quick double check. I don't want to have to make another video. Nope, that's it for this page. We'll continue in the next video.